This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Today's video will be how to add an email link to an email address. Kind of what we have here, where when you hover over the email address, it's actually going to link to the mail app, so that when persons click on this, it'll kind of open the mail app that's on their phone or on their desktop computer. All right, so let's say you have your site that looks like this. You have an email address in place, but when you click on it, nothing happens. It's just a regular piece of text. So we're going to add the email link to this. All right, so the first step would be to go into the back end of the page. You're going to hover over the page content section and click edit. Next, you're going to select the text. You can actually copy it. I'm going to just hit Control and C. And you're going to click this link icon here. In the URL box, you're going to type mail to : and then you're going to paste Control V that email address. And then just click add link. And you're also going to hit save. So now that email address is actually a link that will kind of open the mail app or your browser with this email address. You can also add it to regular text. I'll show you how to do that. Again, you hit edit on the page content. And you're going to select the text, like for instance, email. Again, hit the link button and type mail to : and then you type the email address in or paste it in and click add link. And you're going to also save that. So whether the user of the site clicks the email text or the actual email address, they'll both open the mail function where this email address is in the to field. So that's it.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.